What's your recommendation? Thailand Sailing Holidays Shirt on monetary stress. Take 3 to 6 stitches by every pair of the button's holes, relying on how a lot stress the button will obtain. As any 8-year-old can in all probability informs you, playtime goes far more easily if everybody agrees to the identical guidelines and rules earlier. Then the sport begins. The extra your cloth phrase, the nearer the stitches needs to be. Urgent Thailand Sailing. Thailand Sailing Holidays Shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie. Carol wanted a Thailand Sailing Holidays shirt system for not solely organizing all of his lists, tasks and plans in a single place. However, a system for organizing his thoughts. One secret of remaining is to reside with honesty, consuming slowly and never telling the reality about your age. Pull the thread partially by securing the unknotted finish between your thumb and forefinger in order that you do not pull it by fully. Pull the thread by, however, not too tightly or the material will curl. See as many areas as you'll be able to, and pull out the checklist you created earlier within the planning course of other products.